mga repa, ngayon naman, I'll teach you how to, set up a dashcam in your SUV car. So, Toyota Highlander. So, I just bought this to Amazon. So, napaka-ano lang niya, mura lang niya, $69. And it's called Heaboli high-end dashcam brand. Ang ganda kasi ng mga review. That's why this is the one I purchased. So, let's see what's inside. So, this is a front and rear camera. It's a 4K already. So, I saw it in a review, and you can do a review as well. Okay naman siya. So, parang middle range na siya. Dashcam. So, it comes with a user manual, of course. And this one, the GPS. Yes. I think this is the one we're gonna stick before sticking this one. So, this is nice. And then, it comes with the... this. Yes, of course. The monitor. Yeah, so napaka-handy niya. Ang ganda napaka-slick niya. Sarap niya hawakan.
Siyang GoPro.
Parang GoPro nga. So, there you go. What else? So, packaging. Okay, siguro ito na. So, ito na yung mga wires niya. There you go. 3M stickers. It comes with different sizes and the USB cable connecting in this monitor. And then of course, syempre yung ating cigarette cable charger. Yan. Then, what's this? I think this is the, I think the battery. Yan.
Why is bigger now?
Yan. Then,
I'm so sorry.
also, it's come with a scoop. So you have to scoop inside to put all your cables, your hydro cables in. And then of course, your rear camera together with a long cable. So yeah, we did some research already, so we're gonna go outside and set this up. Everyone, hi there mga repa, mga mamshi. So today I'm gonna teach you how to install the dashcam. So just choose kung saan kayo komportable on where to put our dashcam. And together with me, of course, our kids. Yan, they're
maingay.
They're talkative. Yan. Hello. Okay, so just watch me. Yeah, later we will drive. So just watch, okay? So I just decided to put this one in here. There we go.
May pa-wipes.
So yeah, may pa-wipes na yun. So let's make sure it's gonna be dry. Okay. So dyan. Kasi maganda yung ano niya. Ayaw ko sa gilid eh. Okay. That's it. I'm gonna dry it.
Oops.
So, okay. Good. So we're just gonna use this GPS kind of tape. It's a film. Just remove it and make sure you don't touch the inside. So this one goes off, and this one just put it on the place where you want to with your. Yes, there you go. Yes. There you go. So, after that, there's a double-sided tape here in
What's
our camera.
this?
This
What is this?
dashcam. So, gonna put this one here. Mga repa. Okay, just peel off. Then that's it. Make sure it's this one. You have space, huh? You should have a space for the. Yes, perfect. Yes.
I gotta try now.
Okay, so it's done. Make sure it's locked. Yes, there's a space for that. Then afterwards, we're gonna get this one. This one, yeah. This the one mga repa, comes with this one. Parang cigarette charger. So there you go. So don't throw this one kasi magagamit pa natin yan mamaya. So like I said, dapat may So there you go. Make sure yan. Tapos okay naman na yung lagay ng camera niya. So pati-pulse lang tayo. Wala yung mga bubbles. Galing na to, talagang madilit siya. Madilit siya. So, okay. We're done with that. Then this one. Okay. I'm gonna hide this cable here inside. Okay, so make sure hide nyo lang to. Nabubuksan daan to.
Yep.
Ayan, scooper pala.
There's scooper, oo. So there's a scooper here. So make sure makapasok nyo siya. Medyo mahirap lang sa umpisa. So umpisa na dito. There you go. Oh. Pasok nyo lang.
I eat the paper.
Yes. Mahirap lang sa umpisa ito mga repa. Pero pag napasok nyo na, bilis na siya. Like, there you go. Yan, medyo bali na siya. Wow.
Oh no.
Sabi lang mahirap. And just slide it in. Okay. See? You can see the red. Means it's going in.
Yeah, it's open.
So, it's red na. Matik naman yan. So, dumikit lang yan niya. Female plug sa female plug. So, okay. So, what we're gonna do is that bilang ko lang ito ng clipper.
Ito sila sa taas ay.
Ah, sa taas.
What?
Ano?
People getting 1,000. What? Who buying it?
Pwede. But the thing is that bibila ko clipper dito. Dito. No? So bibila lang natin clipper but for the time being okay na muna yan. Or I have 3M. Yes, I have 3M here. Maybe just buy some clips here. For the time being ganyan muna. So okay. So the next is the rear one, the rear camera. So yan.
Open na siya.
Settings na siya, no? So we're gonna spill this up. Yan. As you can see,
Aww.
mayroon na siyang nakita yung mga camera. You can still adjust that one like that. So okay. So nag-aano na siya, nagka-camera na siya. So mamaya I'll teach you on how to use those different kind of settings. So as you can see, ang linaw niya, no?
Pictures.
Ang linaw, no? Ayos, so kuha siya, ang ganda sa pinto natin, no? 720 degree angle, ha? Ayos. Okay, that's good. At least it's working. So now, we're done. Let's insert the yung rear camera naman. Okay. Rear camera comes with the 3M film then, the 3M sticker. So just fill the covering of our lens. Yan. Tapos yung nakita nyo, mahaba to, no? So, quite long. So, gawin natin dyan is, yan. Bili tayo sa Walmart na clipper niyan, hanap tayo. So, mahaba siya, no? So, all you have to do is just to bring this one here. Just put this in.
Oh no!
So, okay na yan. So, again,
It's small again! No!
So, again, padaan yan. But this time,
Suka ulit?
this one, then here. So I'm gonna put this one here. Say hi to the camera, Jaden.
Hi!
Come on, say hi to the camera. Ayan, lapit na, kabila.
Oh!
Sa kabila.
Is the body?
na.
What? Why stay with me?
What?
Why stay with me?
Madali na dito.
Here's something. Why?
Kaya dalawa yung GPS mo, Daddy, na sticker.
Oo, siguro. Dahil hindi ka takbo doon.
Daddy, what are you doing?
The map here.
That's for this one.
Okay, let's go na.
Let's
Huh?
go to drive.
Likod na?
Let's go at the back.
You got this. You got this.
Galing, no?
Abot mo na.
Ha?
Abot mo na siya dito.
Tago, no?
Hmm.
Talagang tago yung ano, no?
Yung galing na. Talagang ano.
Makamis, no? So this one, dahil malapit na tayo, we just saw it sa ibang mga vlog know how to put this dash cam so that yung ating real camera here, yes, then tago lang natin, madali na to, just hide all the wires here, then we'll see in front. Kamusta? Yan, napupuno na to. Okay,
Spread mo siya.
spread lang. Malaki naman lagayan niya. So there's nothing to worry about it. As long as our wires are properly hidden here inside. So magkano lang tayo, tago lang tayo ng iba. Maglabas na tayo ng konti. Yan. Yan, there you go. Yun. So, yun. I think that's it. So that should do it. Okay, perfect. Pogi na ulit siya. Hindi. Ganyan talaga siya. Okay. We're done. Then we'll see in front. Let's go, Han. Let's go in front. Let's go in front. Itong ano na to, meron palang ganito. So, tatago natin siya. May clipper siya. So, matago natin siya by means of doing this. So, okay. Yun lang, oh. Diba? Ilalim din. Ayun, may taguan pala. Kaya isa muna dito, isa.
Ilan yung clipper?
Dalawa yan, tatlo. So, okay pala to. Okay.
Say yes.
Yan. Ano to? Okay, so ganun siya. Ayun, oh.
Say yes.
Ano siya? Ano ba sa mga clip? Ano ito? Ah, may lakan. Kaya may lakan siya. Yun. Yun, oh, may lakan siya. Ganda. Diba? Okay pa. Ayos. Nakalak siya. Tapos dito, meron din sa ilalim. So, sakto. Tagong-tagong talaga. Oh, may isa pa, oh, mga repa, oh, di ba? Walang kawalayan. Isa pa. Isang lang. Pa-chancing na. Sorry, ito lang. Oops. Ganito. Yun. Yun. Alright. Okay na. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
I think that's it. So, yan.
Nawisa ka?
Yes. So, mga repa. So, that's how you install a dashcam here. So, this is our finished product here. So, all the settings, you can just manipulate everything later on. So, wala siyang SD card. It doesn't come with the SD card. But it's fine. You're gonna buy SD card later on. So yan, kasi pakita mo ano, kung may daanan ng ano, tago-tago talaga.
So, matik siya dad pagka nagre-record man siya.
Yes, nasa lang.
Matik na mag-aalis.
Hindi, pero kailangan natin bilhin ng card dyan. So, as you can see dito sa may bandang ano mo.
So, parang wala lang.
Wala. Diba?
Ito,
Wow.
pawis to ng asawa ko.
So yan, gano'n lang ka-easy mga repa. Gano'n ka-easy. At saka kailangan talaga meron kang katulong mag-camera, no? Para kita-kita at documented talaga, no? So I hope na natuto kayo sa ating, a simple DIY installation of dashcam and my car. So ayan, just enjoy this video, and thank you for liking and subscribing. God bless everyone. Punas mo na ang pawis ko. Bye bye everyone. Love you all.